Hi friend, today we will come with a new project, smartphone control LED using Arduino Uno. It is a basic step, or you can say the first step of the serial communication with Arduino Uno board. So here you can see the Bluetooth is connected with the UART port of Arduino, that is RX and TX pin, and one LED we connect in pin number 13. So this simulation circuit is built in a Proteus platform. If you want to see the circuit diagram, here it is. The Bluetooth module AC05 is connected with the Arduino Uno board, and see the connection carefully, because the one thing you have to remember, that the trans TX pin of your board should be connected with the RX pin of your Bluetooth, and TX pin of your Bluetooth module should be connected with the RX pin of your board. And we use pin number 13 for LED connection, and one pin is connected with the ground. You can see also in our live project, I will see you later, that this configuration we created. Now first we see the simulation portion. Here we use the virtual terminal as a Bluetooth module. That means whatever we write in the virtual terminal, it it will be work accordingly. Now first we see the programming portion. Here here we come with the programming. See, as we use the single pin number 13 for the LED, that is why we declared the pin mode 13 is output. It is output because LED is connected basically. And serial begin 9600, this is the baud rate. 9600, that means the Bluetooth module is connected serial connection mode, and it will send and receive data by serial connection mode, serially, bit by bit, not parallel mode. That's serially 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, that is bit by bit. Now we create the loop here. If serial available, that means any data is available in the line, then we take a variable that call invite. We assign it as a unsigned integer is equal to serial read. That means whatever value is available in line, it should be stored in invite variable. And we command a serial write, it should be written on the Bluetooth UART port or COM port or serial data to microcontroller. Now I check, I write a condition, I give a condition. If if invite is equal to A, then digital write 13 pin high. That means the connected LED will glow. Now if invite B, then digital write 13 low. So LED will off. Now our main work is to, we have to make a Android apps which can perform when you press the LED on button, it should send small a, and when we press the off button, then it should send the small b. Now we made our apps by own by using MIT App Inventor. See, this is a simple the font page of the program. Here if you press to start, then it will go to the next page, that is control. Here we design, see it show the Bluetooth status, it is connected or not. If not connected, we can connect. Here connect Bluetooth button, pressing the connect button, Bluetooth pressing. If your mobile has Bluetooth off, then automatically the pop-up is come, please allow to on your Bluetooth. And now see, we use the two button, one is LED on and another is LED off. Now we have to see when we press the LED on, then what will go through the serial port, and when we press the LED off, then what will go through the serial port. Now for that we have to go to the blocks mode, and those are the programming for starting the Bluetooth device, see, and it will check that Bluetooth will connected or not. If connected, it colored the green, or not connected, it colored the red. Now this is the list picker. Whatever Bluetooth is available around your smartphone, it will show you. You can pick for your desired Bluetooth. Now see here, when LED on, click call Bluetooth client, send text A, and when LED off, click call Bluetooth client, send text B. So what we want here, we written here, and we make these apps and install to our phone, and we can, when we see the live project, we can see how it works. Now here you see the simulation of our project first, then we will go to the live project. So for simulation of project, here we use the virtual terminal for receiving the serial data from the apps is being sent. So first we run the program. See here, virtual terminal is open. Our smartphone will send A for glowing the light. So we write here A and see this LED will go glow or not first. So when we send the A, enter, see the this line is got red, that means it is a high voltage and your LED will glow. And if you send a B, see the line got blue, and that means your LED glow off. So it is a simulation of our project, simple simulation. Now we will see our live project, how can it work. So finally we come with our the live project. See here the Arduino Uno board connected with the AC05 Bluetooth module, and as I show in my circuit diagram, same connection is here. The RS pin and TX pin is reversely connected with Bluetooth module, and one LED is connected in pin number 13. See the white LED. It is not just clear focused for just a imagine. Yeah, now see it is clearly in 13 pin with ground pin. This LED is connected. Now see the apps which we will build, and it is installed to my phone. See here, yeah, this NV Cafe. It is our apps which we build here and installed. See, just focus on that. Now it clearly showing. It is NV Cafe. Okay, now we click on that and see what we build in our software platform. Same thing here. Now click on paste to start, and see the message is pop up that NB Cafe wants to turn on Bluetooth, which I told earlier. If your phone Bluetooth is off, then it will ask to on the Bluetooth, and after allow, then you just press on the connect Bluetooth. It will see list of Bluetooth in your phone is available. You just click on the AC05, which is your Arduino Uno Bluetooth module. Now it is connected. Now press the LED on button. See the LED is glow on, and when LED off, if you press LED off, then it is a switch off. Uh, now you can easily control your LED switch by your smartphone. Not only LED switch, if you replace this LED switch by relay and light, you can control your complete home automation by your smartphone. Thank you.